So very good morning to all of you. Today we will going to see one problem in the classroom and one homework problem will be discussed in the classroom today. Now today we will going to solve problem number 7. Problem number 7 goes like this way. Measures PM and measures AV decided to amalgamate on the following terms and conditions on 1st April 2020 when their balance sheet were as under. On the liability side, we have a balance of all the four partners, whereas Prashant and Manish is a partner in PM, whereas Ajit and as Amit and Vinay is a partner in AV Limited. Then we have creditors and bank loan only with PM. On the asset side, we have land and building with measures PM, plant and machinery with both the company, investment only with measures PM, whereas inventory, debtors, cash at bank with both the company. The following are the terms and conditions of the amalgamation in case of measures PM. Goodwill was taken at rupees 1,80,000. So this point we will discuss while calculating purchase consideration. Prashant took over bank loan. So we have adjustment on a bank loan. It is taken over a partner. Investment were taken over by a new firm at an agreed value of rupees 90,000. So here investment new value is given to us. Land and building was taken at rupees 2,70,000. So land and building new value is given. 5% provision to be created on data. So there is an adjustment on debtors also. And inventory to be valued at rupees 97,800. Okay. So that much for PM. And in case of measures AV, we have goodwill to be taken 1,50,000 that we will going to see at the time of calculating purchase consideration. Inventory to be valued at rupees 1,26,000. यहाँ का value दिया हुआ नया. Then 4% provision to be created on debtors. So debtors we have also a tick. Other assets and liabilities of the firm, both the firm were taken at a book value. So both the firm का value कौन कौन सा बचा? Plant and machinery and creditors. So these two will be taken at book value. It was further decided that the total capital of a new firm shall be 13,77,000 in equal ratio. So they have to divide this 13,77,000 capital in equal ratio amongst the partners. So new ratio will be 1:1:1. Okay. So you are required to calculate purchase consideration, prepare balance sheet after amalgamation of the firm. So this problem was there in SY BCom Adol examination of university October 2018. So let's move to the worksheet. So this is we have a worksheet in front of us. First of all, we will going to calculate purchase consideration, and for that purpose, we have to write down first of all name of the assets. Then we will see one by one. We have land, building, plant, investment, inventories, land and building, plant. Then we have investment. Then we have inventories. Then we have debtors, cash at bank, and one more point we'll go to write down goodwill, which is given in the adjustment. On the liability side, we have only one liability, creditors. Though there was two liability, but one liability is taken over by one of the partners. So let's see one by one. Land and building. First of all, we will see PM. So land and building new value is given. We have put a tick. So new value is 2,70,000. 2,70,000. Then plant and machinery we have to take at book value 94,800. Okay. Investment new value is given 90,000. For inventory new value is given 97,800. 97,800. Okay. On debtors they are saying we have to charge 5% RDD. So 1,20,000 multiplied by 0.95. So we got 1,14,000. Cash at bank we have 27,900, and goodwill is also given 1,80,000. 1,80,000. So we got a total asset at market value of PM, which is denoted by A. Now coming to AV. AV don't have land, Yes, plant and machinery is 1,45,000, 45,800. Then investment they don't have. For inventories, new value is given 1,26,000. Okay. For debtors, they are saying we have to make a 4% provision. Debtor amount is 1,50,000 multiplied by 0.96. So we got 1,44,000. For cash, we have 65,700, 65,700, and goodwill here they have given 1,50,000. Okay. Now coming to creditors, creditors are 82,500, 82,500, and 46,500. If I'm not wrong, yes. So here we got a purchase consideration which says A minus B. B means total external liability. We got 7,92,000 for PM and 5,85,000 for AB. Okay. Anything else? Let's see. So we have पास ऑल दिस थिंग, हमने बैंक करने लिया, ये सारे एडजस्टमेंट हमने कर लिए यहाँ पर, ठीक है। उसी तरह जो पॉइंट नंबर 2 के भी एडजस्टमेंट हमने सारे देख लिए, ठीक है। ये जो चीज थी ये भी हमने खाली एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 3 बचा है, वो हम देखेंगे बाद में। दिस बैंक लोन वी हैव टू गिव एंट्री टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट एंड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट। सो कमिंग टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट टू sundry assets, amount is 5,70,000 and 5,10,000. Then this side we have to write by sundry liabilities, ठीक है। इसका तो मुझे पता है 46,500 है, इसका मुझे देखना बिकॉज आई हैव टू ऐड बैंक लोन ऑल्सो, so it comes to 1,20,000, 1,20,000, and by new firm account, by new firm account, ठीक है। यहाँ पे है 7,92,000 और इसका हो गया 5,85,000। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एक जो हमारा बैंक लोन था वो कौन पे कर रहा था बेटा? प्रशांत। और जब भी लायबिलिटी पे ऑफ किया थी तो हमेशा ये साइड में आता है, तो विल राइट टू प्रशांत कैपिटल अकाउंट, सो ही पेड अ बैंक लोन ऑफ 37,500, 37,500 and 37,500. Okay, so here dash. Now we don't have anything more to write down in the realization account, so straight away we will try to find out realization profit. So partners capital account, so we have a partners like P for Prashant, M for Manish, then we have A for Amit and V for Vinay, ठीक है। Now look at here, this particular amount minus this minus this amount, we got 3,04,500. Okay, and for AV 6,31,500 minus 5,10,000, so we got 1,21,500. Now partners old profit sharing ratio is not given, so we will assume all partners are equal. All partners are equal. So here for Prashant, make a half of 1 lakh, it comes to 1,52,250 if I'm not wrong. Okay, you people also check, I may commit some mistake somewhere. 1,52,250. Okay, now coming to Amit and Vinay, they are sharing ratio in the ratio of 6750 and same with it should be 60,750. This is how we have done with our realization account. Now coming to partners capital account, and in the partners capital account, first of all we will go to write by balance brought down. Okay, so for Prashant we have 2,59,200. For Manish we have 1,90,800. For Amit we have 3,36,900, 3,36,900. Okay, and for Vinay we have 126,600. Okay, you people also check whether I've written the things correctly or not. If anything went wrong, the total will not tally. Then we have by the realization account, इस ब्रैकेट में आएगा बैंक लोन जो पे किया था, जिसने बैंक लोन जो पे किया था प्रशांत ने, तो प्रशांत इसमें आएगा 37,500 and the rest of the people account will come nil. Okay, then one more thing, by realization account, this time the profit will come profit. Okay, profit of Prashant and Manish is 1,52,250. Okay, and the profit of Amit is 60,750. 60,750. Okay, and we don't have anything more to pass the journal entry, so we will write down to balance, carried down to balance sheet. But for that we have a adjustment number 3, which says it is further decided that the total capital of a new firm shall be 13,77,000. So total capital shall be how much, beta? 13,77,000. And this 13,77,000 will be divided amongst the partner equally. So divide by 4. So I got this much amount. ठीक है, हमारे पार्टनर थे जिनका नाम था प्रशांत. ठीक है, प्रशांत. Then we have Manish. Okay, then we have Amit, and we have Vinay, and they all are equal partners. So I can say 1:1:1. Okay, so their capital equals to 3,44,250 for everybody. So my total comes to, just a moment. Okay, I have taken the formula here. So I have to write down 3,44,250. Okay, now I can copy it down. So my total comes 13,77,000. Okay, so here I will going to write down the amount, that is 3,44,250. Okay, and now I will going to tally my पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. पार्टनर्स अकाउंट टैली हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा है. और जब नहीं होगा तो किससे टैली करेंगे हम? बाय यूजिंग
कैश एंड बैंक.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, कैश एंड बैंक. लेकिन हमको बोला नहीं गया, लेकिन हम समझ गए कि कैश एंड बैंक से ही करना पड़ेगा. सो देयर आर समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट गिवन इन द प्रॉब्लम, बट वी हैव टू रीड बिटवीन द लाइंस. टू बैंक account, I'm putting star mark here. Similarly here we have to write by bank account, and we have to put star mark here. So let's see, first of all कौन सा साइड हैवी है? that side is heavy. तो ये यहाँ पर डिफरेंस आएगा पर्टिकुलर माइनस. ठीक है, दिस अमाउंट. सो वी गॉट 1,04,700 देना है प्रशांत को. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा बेटा? कैश. यहाँ पर वो साइड हैवी है, तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा दिस पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट माइनस this minus this. So we got 1 lakh 1,200. Now, sorry, coming to this side. This side we have which side heavy? Okay, that particular side heavy. So we will have to write down here minus this particular amount. Okay, okay. So here I will have dash this particular amount minus this particular amount. I got 53 400, and here it will be dash. So that side it will come. It will come like this way. This particular amount minus this minus. So we got 1,56,900. So after this, we tallied our partners capital account. Now we will move to which account? Which account? Yes, bank account. So we will going to make a bank account. ठीक है? So बैंक अकाउंट में हम देखेंगे जरा क्या होता है. ठीक है? Now come to the bank account. बैंक अकाउंट में हमने देखा सबसे पहले to balance brought down. ठीक है, इसके लिए पहले हमको चलना पड़ेगा बैलेंस शीट में 27,900 प्लस we got 65,700. ठीक है, so 93,600. नाउ पैसे किस किस से लेने हैं? मनीष से और विनय से. ठीक है, so we'll add to मनीष कैपिटल अकाउंट और यहाँ पे आएगा. तो टाइपिंग कर रहा है यार, मुझे आवाज आ रही कंटिन्यू. विनय कैपिटल account. Amount is 1,200, and here it will be 1,56,900. Okay. Similarly, this side we have to pay by Prashant capital account and by Amit capital account. Now let's see Prashant को कितना देना था हमको. We have to pay 1,04,700. 1,04,700 और उसको देना था 53,400. Okay, so we have to calculate balance this side. So by balance carried down to balance sheet. So this will be this particular minus this amount minus this amount. So we got 93,600. Okay, अब हम क्या करेंगे? बैलेंस शीट बनाएंगे. बैलेंस शीट में as we know we have a 3 partners such as Prashant, then we have हमारा Manish, then we have Amit and Vinay. Okay, उनका बैलेंस था 3,44,250. ठीक है, ये सब के सब लोगों का इतना ही है. Now let control Z. Okay, why this thing is happening here? 3,44,250 and 3,44,250. Okay, so let's make a total. Let's verify once again whether we have written everything correctly. Yes. Now on the liability side we have only one liability, which is creditors, because bank loan is paid by partners. ठीक है, so the total comes to 1,29,000. 1,29,000. Okay, now this side we have to write down first of all goodwill, and goodwill amount is 3,30,000. देखो हमारा लाइबिलिटी साइड का टोटल आ गया 15,06,000. Now we have to achieve same thing here. Okay, so we have land building, plant, investment, inventories, cash at bank. So everything we will going to write down here. Now land and building is how much? 2,70,000. Then we have plant and machinery. So we have to make a total of these two things. So it comes to 2,40,600. 2,40,600. Then we have investment. For that we have 90,000. Okay. Then we have inventories. Inventories का total है हमारा 2,23,800. 2,23,800. Then coming to debtors. Debtors total is 2,58,000. 2,58,000. Then we have कैश का नया बैलेंस हमको वहां से मिला था 93,600. Now let's see. Yes, our balance sheet got tally. I think you people won't have any problem here in looking after or in doing this particular problem. The problem was very simple. Only thing is that we have to do very carefully. Okay. If you people have any doubt, difficulty, please let me know. Let's see problem number 8. Shri Bala and Shri Wala are in a partnership at Lala and Company. In the similar type of business, Shri Fali and Shri Shirish are partnership as a Farish and Company. It was agreed that on 1st April 2020, the partnership be amalgamated into one firm, Larish and Company. The profit ratio in the old firm and the new firm are given below. So when we talk about Bala and Wala, they are sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:3, old profit sharing ratio, and between Fali and Shirish is how much? 3:2. 3:2. Okay. Now their new profit sharing ratio is 6:5:3:4. Okay. Now, as on 31st March 2020, the balance sheet of the firm were given below. So we have a capital balance of for the partners, creditors, and bank overdraft only with Parishan Limited company. Sorry. On the asset side, we have land, furniture, vehicle, stock, and debtors with both the company, and investment and bank balance only with Lala and Company. The amalgamation was made on the following terms: the new firm to take over old firm's assets as under stock का नया वैल्यू दिया हुआ बच्चे, vehicle new value is provided to us, furniture, land, ठीक है, और goodwill we will going to calculate while doing a purchase consideration. ठीक है. बाद में क्या है, श्री बाला टेक ओवर इन्वेस्टमेंट. इन्वेस्टमेंट पे भी एक एडजस्टमेंट है. So investment पे क्या एडजस्टमेंट है, that it is taken by a partner, so it will not going to come to purchase consideration and the amount is different. ठीक है. Capital of the partner is new firm to be rupees 3 lakh and to be contributed by new profit sharing ratio. Any adjustment to be made in cash? Do we have cash? No, we have bank, so we will do adjustment in bank. You are required to show necessary ledgers in the books of Lala and Company and prepare balance sheet. Actually, we have to show necessary entries in both the book Lala and Company as well as Farish and Company, and we have to make a new balance sheet also. So shall I move to the worksheet?
Yes, sir.
So here we have a problem number 8. So first of all, we will going to write down the assets which we have so that our calculation becomes simple. Land, furniture, vehicle. Land, furniture, vehicles. Then we have stock, debtors, bank, and goodwill. इन्वेस्टमेंट था वो इन्वेस्टमेंट पार्टनर ले जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. And on the liability side, we have a two thing, creditors or bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. ठीक है. अब चलिए, land new value is given 54,000 and 54,000. So we will write 54,000, 54,000. ठीक है. फर्नीचर का वैल्यू देखिए कितना है, 8,500 and 7,500. 8,500 and 7,500. Then we have vehicle permission, vehicle new value is 15,000 and 8,000. बेटा यू पीपल ऑल्सो पे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, ऐसा भी हो सकता है गलती से कुछ गलत अमाउंट लिख दिया जाए. स्टॉक 46 and 34,500. 46,000 and 34,500. ठीक है. Then debtors we will going to take as the old value because new value is not given to us. 52,500 और इसका कितना था बेटा 42,250. 42,250. ओके. कमिंग टू बैंक में यहाँ पर है 5,600 and here we don't have anything. ठीक है. कमिंग टू गुडविल न्यू अमाउंट इज गिवन 40,000 and 30,000. Okay. So here we got total of assets at market value, which is denoted by A. Now coming to the liability side, creditors we have 30 and 33,000, 30,000 and 33,000. Okay. Then we have 6,500 bank overdraft. 6,500 bank overdraft. Okay. So here we got total external liability, which is denoted by B. Therefore, my purchase consideration equals to A minus B, 1,91,600 and 1,36,750. So here we will going to write down two sundry assets. Amount of Lala is 1,80,000 और उसका था 1,39,500 ना 500. Okay. And on this side we will write by sundry liabilities. ओके. लाला और दोनों का यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है 30,000 because we have taken book value only and 39,500. Okay. Now we also have to write down by new firm account. कितना अमाउंट है 1,91,600 for Lala and 1,36,750 for Farish. ठीक है. Then apart from that, we also have to see any assets or liability which is taken over by partner. Yes, Bala has took over investment. ठीक है. तो ये जो हमने कर लिया सबको टिक कर लेते. There will not be any confusion कि क्या हमने किया और क्या हमने नहीं किया. So this is what we have done already. हमने डेटर्स भी ले लिए, हमने बैंक भी ले लिया, खाली इन्वेस्टमेंट लेना बाकी था. So here we will write Bala capital account. Bala asset लेंगे ना. So by Bala capital account amount is 8,000 and here it will be dash. Okay. Now apart from that there is nothing more to post in the realization account. So we will come to calculate realization profit to partners capital account. So we have partner like Bala, Wala, then we have Ali and we have Shirish. Okay. अब जरा इनका पहले तो प्रॉफिट निकाले. This particular amount minus 1,80,000. So here we got 49,600 and this side we are getting this particular thing minus this. So here we are getting 36,500. Now This profit will be divided in their profit sharing ratio, and the profit sharing ratio of Sri Bala and Vala is 2:3. So total unit is 5. So this particular amount divided by 5, we got this much. So this particular amount multiply by 2 for Bala and multiply by 3 for Vala. Okay, 2:3, 2:3. So let's see. So it will be 19,840, and for Vala it will be 29,000, 29,760. Okay, now coming to Fali or Shirish, they are also partner 3:2. उनका उल्टा रेशियो है और डिवाइड बाय 5. सो हियर वी गॉट फल्ली का कितना है 3 है, तो हम फल्ली को 3 देंगे. सो दिस विल बी 22,050, and here for Sirish it will be 14,700. Okay, so I think up to realization everything is clear with everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to partners capital account, by balance brought down. Okay, now let's see the capital 60, 90, 60,000 and 90,000. Okay, for Fali and series 60, 40, 60,000 and 40,000. So they don't have any realization, so any general reserve. So that we will write by realization account within a bracket profit. Okay, now let's see the profit 19,840, 19,840, and for Wala कितना है 29,760, 29,760. Now coming to Fali and this thing, we have 22,050, 22,050, and here for Shirish it is 14,700, 14,700. ओके, और कुछ नहीं है क्रेडिट साइड में डालने के लिए, डेबिट में है. वी हैव टू रियलाइजेशन. क्या है टू रियलाइजेशन? बाला क्या ले गया था?
Investment.
वेरी गुड, इन्वेस्टमेंट. ठीक है, एंड द अमाउंट वाज 8,000. द रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे हैव नॉट टेकन एनीथिंग, तो वहां पर इनका टैक्स हो जाएगा. नाउ लुक एट हियर, everything is clear. The only thing is that last point remaining, the total capital of the new firm will be 3 lakh, which is divided in the new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is 6:5, 3:4. So let's see here. So total amount we have to take to the balance sheet is 3 lakh, and we have partners called Bala, Wala, Fali and Shirish. ठीक है, and their new profit sharing ratio is 6:5:3:4, if I'm not wrong. So total comes to 18.
18.
So this particular divided by 18, it comes to dangerous figure. ठीक है, so this particular amount multiply by 6, ये 1 lakh हो गया. Very good. यहाँ पर 5 multiply by this particular amount, this will come 8, 83,000. हम लोग इसको सीधा लिख देंगे 83,333. Okay, now for Fali again it will be a challenging for us to calculate multiply. 50,000 correct, and here it will be the half of it, multiply by this particular amount. So this will come 666. So we will write 66,667. So total comes 3 lakh. So we got it. Now we will going to write down here by balance carried down to balance sheet. Amount is 1 lakh 10 80 3,333. Then we have 50,000 and we have 6,667. 67. ठीक है. अब टैली हो रहा है क्या? ये नहीं हो रहा है तो we have to make one more thing, that is by bank account star mark for balancing, and similarly here we have to write down to bank account star mark. ठीक है. अब देखिए पहले वाले में कहाँ ज्यादा है, which side is heavy, this side is heavy, so let's put dash here. Okay, so Bala will going to bring some amount minus this minus particular amount this, so it comes 28,160 कौन लेकर आएगा, बाला लेकर आएगा. Now coming to वाला, this side is heavy, so let's put dash here. तो यहाँ पर आएगा हमारा 1 lakh minus, so 36,427 हमको देना है वाला को. आगे देखिए यहाँ पर कौन सा साइड हेवी है, definitely this side heavy, so here again we have to this particular amount minus 50,000, यहाँ पे 32,50 देना है, and this side is heavy, तो ये हमारा जो श्री से ये पैसा लेकर आएगा, कितना लेकर आएगा, this particular amount minus this minus 40, so 11,967. ठीक है, यहाँ तक क्लियर है. Shall we move to the बैंक अकाउंट?
Yes, sir.
अभी बैंक अकाउंट में देखो एक जगह पर बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट है, एक जगह पर बैंक में पॉजिटिव बैलेंस है, तो कौन सा अमाउंट ज्यादा है बेटा, बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट का ज्यादा है ना, तो यहाँ पर ये साइड
Yes,
में आएगा,
sir.
ये साइड में आएगा बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन, ये नेगेटिव फिगर हमारा ब्रॉट डाउन कितना है देखिए 6,500 माइनस 5,600 कितना है, 900 हुआ, 900. ठीक है. अब देखिए पैसा कौन लेकर आएगा, पैसे हमारे दो पार्टनर ला रहे हैं जिनका नाम है टू बाला कैपिटल अकाउंट और यहाँ पर नीचे है टू शीरीश कैपिटल अकाउंट. ठीक है, ये ला रहे 28,160 और ये ला रहे हैं 11,967. और पैसा देना किसको है, बाय वाला कैपिटल अकाउंट और साथ में बाय पली कैपिटल अकाउंट. देखते जाना कितने पैसे देने इनको, 3250 देना है फली को, 32,050 और इनको कितना देना है 36,427, 36,427, 36,427. ठीक है, विच साइड इज हैवी, क्रेडिट साइड इज हैवी, तो ये साइड में आएगा टू बैलेंस कैरी डाउन, ये बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट हो गया हमारे लिए, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट माइनस दिस पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट दिस, सो बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट आ रहा है 29,250. लेट पुट स्टार मार्क हियर, तो ये हमने निकाला है. नाउ कमिंग टू बैलेंस शीट, यहाँ तक सब क्लियर है ना सबका? नो प्रॉब्लम, नो डिफिकल्टी, नो डाउट्स?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have 4 partners, Bala, Wala, Kali and Shirish. ये कैपिटल भी हमने, ये क्या हो गया, बाला, हाँ ठीक है। कितना है इसका? 1 लाख। इसका था 83,333, इसका था 50,000 और इसका था 67,000, सॉरी 66,667। ठीक है, लेट मेक अ टोटल ऑफ इट। क्या पता हमारे यहाँ पे कुछ अलग फिगर आ जाए। नहीं, अभी तक तो सब सही आया। ठीक है, सो वी हैव ओनली 2 लायबिलिटीज हियर। एक तो क्रेडिटर्स आया हमारा और दूसरा आ गया हमारा बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट। अब देखिए क्रेडिटर्स कितने हमारे पास में 63,000 और बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट के लिए हमको वहां जाना पड़ेगा 29,250, 29,250। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हमारा आ गया है टोटल लायबिलिटी। कितना लायबिलिटी है? 3,92,250। अभी हम यहाँ पर चलेंगे। सबसे पहले हमने लिखा गुडविल। गुडविल हमारा कितना था? 40,30, यानी टोटल कितना था? 70,000। and we will also going to write the other thing which we have, land, building, furniture, bank जो भी है, so it will be written here. Okay, land का amount कितना है? 54, 1,08,000. Okay, here it will be 16,000. ठीक है, और ये हो गया 23,000 vehicles। तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? 80,500, 80,500 स्टॉक। और डेटर्स कितने हो रहे हैं हमारे? 94,750, 94,750। ठीक है, और बैंक तो हमारे पास है ही नहीं, तो बैंक निकल जाएगा यहाँ से कि बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट हो गया। लेट्स सी वेदर आवर अकाउंट, यस आवर अकाउंट गॉट टैली। आई होप you have understood this problem and there will not be any problem in understanding this thing. So total we made 5 things: purchase consideration, realization account, partners capital account, bank account and balance sheet. I hope you have understood this thing.